Why is that?
Well, it's like the setup is the same. You have like the tour, you have some enclosed cages, and then you have some like open cages. And then in Jurassic Park 3, which wasn't very good, they had the aviary that was enclosed with the waterfall. Like, it makes you think that somebody came to this bird park and got their ideas here.
Yeah. I actually had that thought when we first came in, and I was, we were in the dark place with all the birds and the owls and stuff, and we didn't see any owls in the first one, and I was like, you do actually have birds at your bird park here.
What you see is not a coral reef. Jacques-Yves Cousteau created this and he never removed it. Shabroumi, Sudan, where in 1963 5 members of the Calypso crew were living under the sea for 4 weeks. Corals and algae cover this last remnant of a fascinating experiment. It's pretty difficult to find spots of the original protective color, which is yellow. Hard and soft corals and contributing fish rededicated human work into teeming nature. After so many years underwater, the garage has become a coral pillar of its own. But the unique structure of this building will outlast in future. The garage is set on a massive tripod where huge branches of soft corals filter incoming currents. The area between these stilts has become a huge swim-through, where thousands of young fish try to hide. No surprise, predators also moved into neighborhood. 4 lionfish declared this zone as their very own hunting grounds. Unlike years ago, this predatory fish is now more frequent in Sudanese waters. The big shoals of small fish constantly migrate between the garage exterior and its scarcely overgrown interior, where all the scuttle's glasses have disappeared in the meantime. All exhaled air collects between the garage roof and the scuttle's upper rims, creating a huge bubble of air big enough to dare a careful look around. Algae belong to the first settlers who colonize a wreck like this, providing a rich pasture for reef residents like surgeonfish or tiny wresses. They are practically everywhere. This small reef guard is a freckled hawkfish. Easy to find, but difficult to videotape. Just a few meters away, another but smaller remnant of Précontinent 2, nowadays coronated by an enormous table coral. This has been formerly used as a garage for underwater scooters. Almost right in front, many anemones have found their space to live. When observing these resident clownfish, divers may recall incidentally that also Précontinent 2 once was fully yellow colored.